The vervain plant is a lesser-known herbal remedy, but it has a lengthy history of medical use when it comes to a variety of systems in the body. In traditional herbal medicine, it's been used to treat headaches, insomnia, depression, anxiety, kidney stones, gout, jaundice, and more. It also has been used to improve lactation for nursing mothers and as a natural treatment for painful menstruation. Anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is at the root of most diseases. When you can decrease inflammation in the body, you can improve so many different common, chronic, and even major health concerns. One of vervain's top benefits is its ability to decrease inflammation both externally and internally. Research published in the international journal Planta Medica looked at the effects of a number of vervain extracts when given orally to animal subjects. The researchers found all the extracts of vervain induce a remarkable anti-inflammatory activity. In addition, the extracts demonstrated an ability to decrease gastrointestinal damage. Another study, published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, showed that vervain can provide anti-inflammatory as well as pain-relieving effects when applied topically. Research published in 2016 looked at the possible positive effects of vervain on the nervous system. The study used animal subjects. Researchers found that crude extracts of vervain improved seizure response. It also decreased how long it took to fall asleep, while increasing the duration of sleep for the subjects. Overall, the study concludes that their results indicate that Verbena officinalis possesses anticonvulsant, anxiolytic, and sedative activities, which provides scientific background for its medical application in various neurological ailments like epilepsy, anxiety, and insomnia. For centuries, vervain has been used to improve gum health. For example, the early Celtic people used it as a mouthwash to help their gum problems. Combine 2 tablespoons of vervain with 1 cup of boiling water. Let it steep like a tea and then wait for it to cool down. It can then be used as a mouthwash. A double-blind, randomized clinical trial published in 2016 looked at the effects of vervain on patients with chronic generalized gingivitis, which is a form of gum disease. The subjects all brushed and flossed their teeth. The test group also rinsed their mouths with the vervain mouthwash. The results were impressive. The vervain test group decreased their scores on both the gingival index and the plaque index. Studies have shown that Verbena possesses both antibacterial and antimicrobial abilities. Something that's antibacterial can kill bacteria or prevent the development of bacteria, while antimicrobial means that the substance can kill and prevent the spread of bacteria as well as fungi and certain viruses. A scientific study published in 2016 in the Journal of Medical Food looked at vervain essential oil as a possible alternative to traditional chemical pesticides. They found that the essential oil of vervain was successfully able to stop the growth of some specific unwanted plant and human pathogens in a dose-dependent manner. It's important for scientists to look into natural antibiotic alternatives, since antibiotic resistance is becoming more and more of a problem these days. Another study from 2017 explored the effects of therapies combining antibiotics and 4 medical herbs, including vervain, on methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, or MRSA. More studies are needed, but the researchers found that Verbena officinalis is an antimicrobial and antibacterial herb containing bioactive ingredients that may have potential in helping to fight against drug-resistant infections like MRSA. Vervain has been shown to contain a naturally occurring plant glycoside called verbenolin or cornin. A 2016 study isolated this cornyn from the fruit of the plant to look at its possible protective effects against myocardial ischemia, which is when blood flow is reduced to the heart due to a partial or complete blockage of the heart's arteries. The researchers found that the animal subjects treated with cornyn exhibited that their hearts were protected from injury due to the myocardial ischemia. Based on this data, the researchers believe that the cornyn found in Verbena has cardioprotective effects due to the fact that it increases the expression of compounds in the body that play a key role in cellular survival pathways. Verbena officinalis is available in various forms, including powder, tincture, capsules, tea, and flower essence. It can be taken as a liquid tincture at a dose of 1 to 2 teaspoons 3 times per day. The essential oil is pretty hard to find, but it can be found online, and sometimes it's available in specialty health stores. Vervain tea can also be made from the flowers and the leaves by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons to boiling water. To get the most from the herbal tea, you should allow it to steep covered for 10 to 15 minutes. When using it for medical purposes, the common recommendation is 1 to 3 cups per day. To help with sleep, 1 cup about 30 minutes before bed can be helpful. Some people like to add honey or lemon to their Vervain tea. Verbena officinalis is not generally recommended for pregnant women because it's a known uterine stimulant. However, traditionally speaking, it's been taken during the last 2 weeks of pregnancy to encourage labour.